guys. It is 4:45 a.m. and we're off to Bing Bang. I am exhausted. I was just editing a video like until about midnight. That way I will still have a video for you guys today. I'll see you later, keepers. I'm exhausted, but I'm very excited. Just waiting on the Uber right now. I don't think I'm prepared for how cold it's gonna be in Boston. I have my Trick Strong crew and I have like another long sleeve, but it's probably gonna be too cold, so I'm gonna have to like layer stuff, but we'll see. Good morning. It's Johnny. Nice to meet you, Johnny.
Nice to meet you, bro. Have a good trip.
See you, man. This line was stressing me out so much because I thought that I wasn't gonna make my flight even though I was an hour and 15 minutes early, but I made it on time. My ticket for the next flight didn't have a gate number, so I had to find it here and then find a bus. New York is so safe and beautiful. Once I got on the bus, there were no seats available, but he told us we could not stand, so I sat on the floor. Okay, I am here in the hotel and it is 11:43. I've been up since 4 a.m. as you just saw moments ago for you, very long ago for me. Adam is on his way, so I'm gonna try and like take it easy and then we're both probably gonna take a nap until the gathering starts. Yo, that's creepy. I was just sitting here on the bed looking at my phone and the TV turned on and said, "Welcome, Zachary." I just wanna take a nap. Hello, hey Adam.
I'm so tired.
Well, Adam's here now. All right, we just woke up and now we're gonna go downstairs and grab some food and then we're gonna Uber to the sunset session. So I'm hyped.
So, Project B, gathering.bbb, the first $4 gathering.
Yeah, this is crazy.
And let's see what Sam Lincoln's got in store for us.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Got some complimentary coffee, shout out to Hilton.
Yes. I was honestly like, I didn't think he would actually like follow through with making it $4.
Yeah.
I was like, there's no way. Until I talked to him about it. I know the thought process, Sam.
I'm excited to see how it goes down. I'm excited to see how the vibe is, like how many BBBs show up.
Yeah.
You know, I know there's like hundreds of BBBs at this point, like even international now.
Yeah, I didn't know that there was like a culture behind it, honestly. I just thought it was some people were just like, hell yeah, go BBB.
There's culture behind everything.
Well, I mean, yeah, but what I mean is like, I didn't know until Regen and I talked to Sam about it.
Yeah.
And he was just like, oh no, it's a thing. And I was like, oh, shoot.
Oh damn, I thought there was like 7 people that did it as a joke, but you're saying there's like 700. I think a lot of the culture behind it is kind of like beating around the bush type culture. You know, it's not like telling you the answer to it's not telling you the punchline to the joke. That makes so much sense. Joking around it.
It's like Sam's MO.
Yeah, like I mean, every brand is just like an extension of the person that created it, or the person that's taken it. Because Sam Lincoln didn't create Big Bang.
Yeah,
but he's adopted it from an older generation, younger than us, but older than him.
Interesting.
They're like, oh yeah, we're older, we're retired, we don't do the tricks anymore or whatever. And I'm like, bro, you're younger than me.
20 minutes later.
8 minutes?
Whoa. This Uber.
It was like 9 minutes when we first got it, and then it went all the way down to 2, and then it went up to 5, now it's up to 8.
You wanna call him really quick?
It's at the Hilton, it's a little bit further down.
Our Uber can't find us, so Adam's taking charge. Howdy. Yo, it's chilly.
You need to be doing a field and then just.
Hello.
Oh,
What's up, Addison?
Literally, my My biological father.
Yo, my oh shit! UST! Oh, Zach! Yo, I am Zach. No, I haven't actually formally met you yet. That's so freaking dope. Yo, Levi, what's up, man? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. I'm Zach.
Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams are yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams are yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those
Yeah, let's go.
ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. All I wanted was to be loved.
This is how it actually feels outside right now. Everyone else is just freaks. Yes! 15-minute walk to the park, not too bad. I'm trying to get this skyline at sunset. He's more minimalist.
I have that. You're wearing another trick song.
Everywhere. Everywhere. Neil's influence.
I still think that one's my favorite album.
What just happened?
Did David just die?
They're so fast. We were just waiting on the session to start at this point, so I threw some tricks and then we went down to this park to mess around. Anticlimactic.
Oh my god!
Tin with a lot of freaking years. Yes.
There we go. There we go.
Yes.
Yeah, I have to look, but I think it died. I'm not in.
On the way to go to the session, this mom asked us why we were walking through the neighborhood in such a large group, so we showed her some tricks and educated her a little bit.
All joy.
Make your kids try. Yeah! You got it, Hector? Yeah! Yeah! Yes, sir! That's high, too. Anyway, have a good night! And after that, no joking, we turned the corner and this guy wanted to know what we were doing. We do flips. We are here to do like we're at what's called a tricking gathering. We do tricking. So we do like, this is called cart pull. We do what's called martial arts tricking. We're here for like a flips festival, essentially. Bing Bang gathering. It's at a gym about 15-20 minutes away. Yeah. Yeah, look it up. It's called martial arts tricking. Then we all hung out and vibed and watched samplers for a little bit. And then we headed to the session. And then it was time to throw down. Nice job, nice job.